everyone, today we're going to talk about type of roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, so let's go. First of all, you need to understand is the type of roots. So take note of these equations here, b squared minus 4ac. So when there is more than 0, there's two different roots, okay? When there is equals to 0, two equal roots. And is less than 0, there is no real roots. Okay, so why there's no real roots? That's another day for another topic. Okay, anyway, so let's look at these examples here. So always know what is your A, B, and C. Okay, I've discussed this in my previous video. Please watch them to understand how to find your A, B, and C. But let's have a look at them. When you substitute, you get a value. If let's say it's more than 0, very simple, is two real and different roots. Now, is equals to 0. Okay, so when it's equals to 0, you know it immediately is two equal roots. And finally, if you have a look, it's a negative value, so there's no real roots. So that means the root does not exist. Okay, so how does this method actually look like? Okay, very simple said. If there is two equal, okay, so two different roots. Let me just do a simple sketch so that you can understand it better. So if there is a graph, okay, if there's, let's say we take number 1 here, two different roots. So that means if the function, quadratic function here, it cutting into two different roots. This is just to identify them. Now, if you look at two equal roots, so that means the graph here will cut at one point. This is your equal roots. And last but not least, okay, this is equal. And last but not least, if you have two no real roots, that means what will happen to the function is the function will be floating. It will not be cutting anywhere on the x-axis. So this is no real roots. So no roots. Okay, this is equal, and last but not least, this is different roots. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. Okay, this is a very simple topic, very simple understanding, because next week, whatever we have learned in the past few episodes, we're going to apply them in the quadratic function. Okay, how do you apply them? How does it work? Okay, I'll answer all that questions next week. So please stay tuned, please subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good day.